Well, good Wednesday morning to you and happy hump day. We made it to the middle of the week. We had some warmer days to start the week. Cooler today. We'll be into the 40s and 50s. Here's what you can expect. Notice sunshine icons to go with it. So I still think it's going to be a great day to get outside. Just cooler on that facet. Let's go ahead and get right into the forecast here. Here's the temperatures right now. It's 32 here in Colorado Springs, 36 in Pueblo, 34 in Walsenburg. Much cooler start to the day than we have been over the last couple of days. This is about a 15 to maybe 20 degree change than we have been. It's been more mild to start, maybe a bit chillier as you're walking out the door. Now, we did have a cold front that pushed through. There were some snow showers along I-70, maybe a really light one over the Palmer Divide. For the most part, that's getting out of here, and we're going to be much quieter as we go into the rest of the day. Very active weather as you go to the eastern side of the country. There's a series of cold fronts and fronts that have worked its way going towards the east, and that's kicked up that type of weather. We have one working through Colorado right now. We also in the upper atmosphere have some northwesterly flow. So with the cold front that's moved through, we will be on the cooler side for today, but also very quiet to go with it. I'll tell you about that in just a second. But highs today, 40s and 50s. This is going to be a pretty refreshing change, but it will be noticeable considering yesterday we were into the 70s in some spots, even into the 80s. But this is closer to the average for what we're supposed to be during this time of year. Now, the breezy conditions are going to get out of here in most areas. If you're along the interstate and east of the plains, I'd say that we're going to be on the lighter side today, which is great news. I think we need a little break from the wind, with the exception that as you go west into the higher terrain, say Chaffee County, even towards the northwest, towards I-70, towards the San Luis Valley, we could see some gusts today that amount to maybe 30 to 40 miles an hour at times. I don't think we'd really get to 40, but it's not unlikely that we could see a gust like that out there. So if you're in those areas, could be dealing with some wind, then we all pretty much calm down going into the evening hours. Comes with a lot of sunshine as we get to the afternoon. So when we have the sun, have some lighter breezes in most spots. Even though we're in the 40s and 50s, I think that's still going to be a good day, and I think it's still a day that you could get outside and go with it. Now, the areas that we do have the windy conditions, it will be very dry, so Chaffee County into the San Luis Valley in a red flag warning until tonight. So we'll continue to watch for some patchy fire danger. Highs tomorrow back into the 60s and 70s. We go right on back up to those warmer temperatures. The reason for this is we're going to have a little bit more wind to go with it tomorrow. We'll get some west-northwesterly flow. Lighter blue color onto the map there is really fast moving wind speeds aloft in the jet stream. Mix down, interact with the mountains, get some downsloping winds, really accelerate. It'll also warm us up too. And that'll be the story as we go into Friday, also into Saturday, being very warm. By Sunday, a little wave starts to come over us, and that will drop our temperatures as it slides a cold front towards us. So by the time we get to Sunday, we'll be dealing with another kind of situation like today where it's warm yesterday, cold today. So that's how I have it reflected going into the weekend. Just a little preliminary outlook. 70s for Friday, warmer on Saturday, 70s and 80s. By Sunday, behind the cold front, into the 40s and 50s. That'll be a noticeable difference, just like today is. Now, behind all that, next week is going to be consistently warm. This week, we've had some ups and downs, kind of on the Colorado roller coaster. Next week, looks like we're going to be very warm. We could see some 80s on the board in Pueblo, and by this time next week in Colorado Springs, we could see some 80s here, which means as you go out east, maybe even some 90s. So it's going to be a very warm next week. That's what we're looking like into the 10-day swing of things. I'll keep you updated on it all, but it's looking very warm and very dry here into southern Colorado. Already, that's a check at your forecast update for this Wednesday. Here's sports.